No, this is incredible. How did you guys find this?
Comedian Hasan Minhaj is the child of Indian immigrants, but he grew up in California, knowing little about the world that his parents had left behind. We set out to recover that world, beginning in Shirkot, the city in northern India where his father's family has deep roots. Have you ever seen that photo?
No.
That photo was taken at your grandmother's house sometime around 1948. So that's 2 years before your father was born.
Wow. This is a beautiful place. I mean, like, if you look at the archway of that, that's incredible.
Well, guess what? Your father told us that in the back of the house, there were quarters to house elephants.
What?
Yes. And your aunt remembers that they owned 2 adult elephants and a baby elephant.
What do you mean they owned elephants? They just had elephants?
Yeah, I mean, like you have a dog. Do you have a dog?
No,
Yeah.
I don't have a dog. We have a rabbit.
They had elephants.
This is so weird because when I was a kid, I asked my dad, well, my sister really wanted a dog. Mm-hmm. And he was like, no pets. We have Hasan. And he had in his family, they had elephants?
3, 2 adults and a baby at the time that photograph was taken.
Oh my God. Mm-hmm. That's awesome. That's really cool.
I think it's cool.
That's so cool.
We now set out to see what we could learn about Hasan's deeper roots. His relatives told us that his great-grandfather, a man named Sibgat Ullah, was a prominent landowner. And as we combed through the archives of Sibgat's home region, we uncovered a British publication that seemed to confirm this.
The town of Dhampur is the seat of several well-known families who own land. Muhammad Sibgat Ullah, the principal sheikh resident of the place.
That name sound familiar?
That's my great-grandfather.
We can't be certain, but we spoke with a scholar about this at length, and we think this may be, indeed, your great-grandfather. The names are similar, and Dhampur is about 5 miles from Shirkot.
Wow. And this is from a newspaper.
The Bijnor Gazetteer,
Yeah.
which is a geographical index.
Yeah, Bijnor. My dad has talked about Bijnor just casually.
Oh, yeah?
When he talks about Shirkot and Bijnor, but it just sounds like he's describing different regions from Game of Thrones. I'm like, I don't know what that territory is.
This index not only indicates that Sibgat owned land, it also describes him as being the principal sheikh of his town, which was potentially a very significant find. The term sheikh refers to a special class of Muslims in northern India, a group that claims Arab descent through the Prophet Muhammad and 2 of the founding caliphs of Islam, Abu Bakr and Omar. Did you ever think you might have Arabic roots?
No.
What's it like to think of that possibility?
You know, in our faith, the Prophet, Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Abu Bakr and Omar, the Khalifa, are extremely important in our faith.
Yeah.
And they're like the tent poles of what became Islam and the spread of Islam around the world. So, no, this is extremely very powerful and very. I had no idea.
There were no records to test this idea, so we turned to DNA. While most modern-day Indians have no genetic ties to the Arab world, Hasan's admixture reveals that 2.3% of his DNA comes from West Asia, which includes what is now Iran. and 0.3% comes from the Arabian Peninsula.
That is a significant result. So you have a DNA connection to Iran and to the Arab world. For most other Indians,
Oh, wow.
so what's it like to learn this?
Yeah, this is very powerful stuff, both spiritually and historically.
Yeah. What's your father going to say?
Oh, he's gonna love this. This is gonna blow my dad's mind. This is gonna mean I cannot tell you. This is gonna mean so much to my family.
Discovering our ancestors can change our lives, helping us to understand more fully who we are, where we came from, and how we're all connected to a much larger world. To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.